Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware support and preparing the essentials: a compatible OTG adapter and a charged phone. Once done, check settings for OTG or USB configuration and switch to file transfer mode if prompted. Make sure battery saver is off and background apps that might claim USB are closed. Plug the OTG adapter into the host device first, then attach the peripheral. This order prevents negotiation failures. You should feel a subtle vibration or see a USB notification when the host recognizes the peripheral. Now you dive deeper. Test the same peripheral on another OTG-capable device and test another peripheral on your device. This isolates whether the problem is adapter, peripheral, or host. Once done, inspect the OTG adapter and cable for bent pins or corrosion, and if you can, measure continuity with a multimeter. Make sure the peripheral's power needs aren't exceeding the host. If so, use a powered USB hub. Also, toggle USB configuration to accessory or MIDI and back to reset the USB stack. Finish by applying software fixes. Update your phone or tablet and any accessory firmware because drivers can silently block OTG. If recognition still fails, try a verified powered USB hub or another brand of OTG adapter. Some devices enforce strict ID resistances. Make sure to reboot the host after changes. That clears lingering USB state. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, reset USB or network settings. It restores default USB permissions and often resolves hidden configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.